It's time for everybody's new favorite show, Interviews with Darth Vader. Da 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 da. Today's guest star, Mario the Plumber. Woo! Is this my interview for new Super Mario Brothers? Wee-hee! Psst. No, Mario. This is Interviews with Darth Vader. Oh, okay. Hello, Mr. Vader.
Hello. How are you today?
I am very good.
That's good. Now I have one question for you.
What is that?
Whenever we see you, you always are wearing the same red hat and same red shirt with the same blue overalls and same brown shoes. Do you ever feel stinky or other things?
Well, I'm a plumber, so it's kind of inevitable.
Inevitable. That's a big word for a plumber.
Yes, it is.
So. For first! Ah!
Oh no! Da 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 da. We are not responsible for any damages to Mario that may have occurred.